Hello, Himanshu.
Hi, good to see you again. So it's 9:20. All right. So I was about to ask you a very interesting topic. It's what if you own an island? Okay. Now just imagine you are the owner of an island. Have you ever seen an island, by the way, in your life
No,
so far?
nothing. No,
Not yet.
no, I
Definitely
have
soon.
never seen.
Even I haven't also seen, but I have seen a very small island in my native place.
Where
It's not that huge in Bhimtal. It's in Nainital. Oh, it's in Uttarakhand.
we
Hello.
have a few friends in your hometown.
Okay, Nainital.
Yes, Nainital,
What are their names?
Nainital, Almora.
Almora. I've been to Almora. Yes, it's near my house.
Right
It's
now
near
you
my
are
place actually.
right now you are living in Nainital or
I'm in Gurgaon,
Gurgaon.
Haryana,
Okay.
in Delhi, near Delhi. It's
There
the
are
uh,
there are lots of the people in the Nainital or Uttarakhand. They are living in Delhi. Delhi.
yes, yes, absolutely. Because this is the nearest metro city from our place.
Right.
Yes. Okay. Now let's discuss about the topic. Okay.
Okay.
You just keep talking. I'll listen to you. I'll get my water bottle. Okay. And I want to get my notebook also. So the question is, okay, if you had your own island, okay, now tell me what all things would you build there, like a building, maybe an adventure island, some shops, anything like that. If you can think of anything, if you're able to talk on that, we'll definitely continue. Otherwise, we can talk about something else also. All right. So
I
you
never.
start talking. You
Yes,
start
yes.
talking. I just get my water bottle.
Sure.
Keep talking.
I never thought about for my own island, but I think so. I need to ask with my people. I can say people. So whosoever is living that island, so I will ask him or her what they want to need in the particular island, what the facility they want, what they want in for the living or for the betterment for him.
Okay, so basically, no
Betterment
one
for
is
them.
living in that island. See, no one is living. It's your island. It's your own island. Okay, now you tell me, what all things will you do there? So, if you have your own island, you can build anything. You can make a
Okay.
house for yourself. Yeah, of course, you can start your hotel also. What do you
Okay,
think?
so
It will come to
I
you.
will for if my island and for all the my property, and if
Hmm.
I have the lots of the money, so I will create one good hospital and one
Hmm.
good school
Hmm.
and also one create one gym also.
Wow, that's nice. Nice thought. And what else?
And I think so that's it for because for I will create
Right.
these three
Okay,
things
that's good.
definitely.
Okay, now I'm going to give you an exercise. Okay, in past, present simple tense. Sometimes you make a lot of mistakes, so we will practice. Okay,
Okay.
are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Yes, you're always ready. Wait, just give me 2 minutes. 1 minute actually. My laptop isn't working well. All right, this is the first question, and we have about 10 questions. Okay, now open your chat, please.
Okay, open.
All right, these are 10 questions. Okay, past tense. All right. The first one is I dashed to the mall after school. So now tell me what would be the answer?
I went to the mall after the school.
Very nice. Now read the second one.
My brothers. seen a beer an hour ago.
Okay, no, it will not be seen, it will be saw.
So
See
okay,
becomes saw. Seen is present perfect. I have seen, I have walked, like that. My brother saw a bear an hour ago. All right,
okay.
now go for the next one.
Does Mike visit his grandmother last night?
Not does, did. When we ask questions, we use did Mike visit.
Okay.
You want to confirm something, right? Next, Alex.
Alex did not work last weekend working. Last weekend. Sorry,
Last weekend.
Alex did not work last weekend.
Absolutely. Now, number five.
Was Judy and Liz as last month meeting?
All right. So, was comes when there is only one person, singular. Was Judy at last month's meeting? But here we have two people, Judy and Liz. They are
Okay.
plural. So, the answer would be were. Were Judy and Liz at last month's meeting?
Okay.
Right. Now, I want to read the sixth one.
We were not happy after the sad ending.
We were not happy after the sad ending. Now, imagine apart from okay, in spite of we, if there is an I, what will be the answer?
I was not happy after the
Very good,
sad
very good,
ending.
very good, very good. Seventh one.
Did you see Jordy's new dog yesterday?
Did you see Jordy's new dog? Yes, very nice.
Sorry, I didn't hear you at
Sorry, I
the
did
door.
hear you. Add the door. Good.
I study English for 2 years.
No, study. I study English is present simple.
Okay, I studying English for 2 years.
Studying is continuous. I
So I
studied English for 2 years. I studied English for 2 years means I have studied. Okay. I studied English for 2 years in the past. We're
okay,
talking about past tense right now. Okay.
okay.
Next,
What did you eat for lunch yesterday?
lunch. Absolutely. Now you know the difference between present simple and past simple.
Yes.
See, you have to practice. Okay. I will make sure that you're practicing with me here with the different kinds of examples and everything. But apart from that, you also have to do some self practice as well. Okay. So whenever
Okay.
you get time before session in the morning, I ask you to read something. Are you reading something these days?
Uh, Sorry, but I have not started yet.
It's okay. So when are you planning to start?
Definitely, I will start.
No, no, actually, I'm asking when are you planning to start? You're saying definitely. I don't know what definitely means. Tell me the date and time. Is it from today? Is it from tomorrow? That's what I'm asking you.
For tomorrow will never come because if someone says tomorrow, so that means it will never come. So
Like
whatever you want,
seriously,
you have to start from today onwards only.
today, absolutely. You said the right thing, but now you tell me when are you going to start?
Yes, of course. After this call, I will start.
It's okay. After this call, you can definitely have your dinner, and then
Yes.
from tomorrow you can start. Like in the morning, whenever you start your work. For
Okay.
example, if you work at 10, try to read something at 9:50. I think it's a good practice. What do you think about that?
Yes, of course.
Isn't it?
Yes, yes.
At least try, and you can definitely share your feedback. Because, and what about listening? Do you watch English news?
No, no. I am not watching any television, but definitely I will start to watch the on YouTube. I will check with the YouTube. There are lots
So
of
you
the
do one
content
thing.
around.
You do one thing. I will suggest you one thing. Okay. So download an audiobook from YouTube. Okay. There is a channel named Audiobook Hits. I'm writing down the name of the channel, Audiobook Hits. Now visit this channel, and there you will see a lot of audiobooks, different kind of. So there will be from 1 hour to 6 hours long, as per your convenience and as per your preference. Just try and download any audiobook and listen to it for daily for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes daily. Okay, and then
Okay.
you can also share like what did you learn with that particular part of the audiobook. So can we do that?
Yes, of course. I will do that.
So from today, like just have your dinner after this, and then you can definitely start with your audiobook from tomorrow. Okay, now your mistakes. Okay, we'll talk about mistakes first. You did a great effort today. You said if you want to grow India, you meant to say if you want India to grow in terms of this, that. So India is not a plant that you will grow India. Okay. If you want to grow India is a wrong, this is like technically incorrect sentence. You can say if India wants to grow their unemployment rate, sorry, employment rate, they have to work on these aspects. Okay, and
Okay.
you have, and you said, and you want to make a bigger tree. You don't make a tree, you grow a tree. What do? You
Grow.
grow a tree. Okay, and then you said you insert the seed in the land. You don't insert, you sow. SOW. You sow the seed, and you said beej in Hindi, I guess.
Yes, yes.
So it's seed. Okay, and then you also made a mistake. It's a minor mistake. You said competition are. Competition is. When there is singular subject, we use the singular helping verb. Competition is, competition are. Okay. And then you said willing power. It's not willing power, it's willpower. Okay.
Will.
All right. So will you download the audiobook? Because I will ask you if you download it and if you listen to it for 20 minutes, I will ask you. And you have to let me know which audiobook you have downloaded, and I will ask you questions related to that. What do you think?
Sure. Sure. Right.
Shall we do that?
Yes. Sure.
So in the next session, I want you to come up with the audiobook.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
We have 4 minutes left. We'll talk about something else. Okay.
Okay.
Let me see what we can talk about. Just give me a second. All right. So we practice daily routine. Can you talk about your daily routine now and try not to make any mistakes? Okay.
Okay.
Come on,
I wake.
start.
I wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
I take my lunch at 9 o'clock. Then after I
Okay.
log in at my shift 10 o'clock. After that
Mm-hmm.
I take my lunch at 12 o'clock. Then after uh, I I take my tea break or snack at 4 o'clock. Then after I log out from my shift at 8 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Then after I join the Clapingo at 9 p.m. After that
Mm-hmm.
I take my dinner at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Yes.
After 11 p.m. I will try to go to sleep.
I will.
I I sleep. I slept.
I go to sleep. Not
I
slept.
go to
Slept is
sleep.
past tense. Yes.
I go to sleep.
So, that's why I always make sure you're, sharing your daily routine every day, because you make mistakes. We all make mistakes. So I don't want you to make mistakes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So it's always I go to sleep. I will go to sleep. That means you're talking about something which is going to happen in future. So that's a totally different scenario.
Yes, of
All
course.
right. I hope you will take care of these things.
Yes, sure.
All
I
right.
know.
Thank you.
I remember that, but suddenly my turn sleep, and every time will and few are the words, man. It's just a coming.
I can totally understand. While talking and while doing the questions, you can definitely answer. But when it comes to speaking, you lack. That's the reason I've asked you to listen to that audiobook. I hope
Okay.
you will definitely listen to it.
Sure.
Will you?
Yes, of course.
All right. Thank you so much then. And we can also practice pronunciation if you want in the next session. Because
Sure.
okay, how do you pronounce Make?
Mac.
It's make. You're
Mac.
saying Mac. It's not Mac.
Make.
Make. A sound.
Okay.
All right. It's Make, and same goes for Tak. Take.
Hack.
Not take. Yes, take. So we'll do one thing in the next session. I'll also teach you some pronunciation
Okay.
of the words which we commonly mispronounce, like Wednesday, breakfast, photography. Okay. I think we have discussed it earlier, right? Have
No,
we? Not yet.
not it.
So definitely we can do it in the next session.
Sure.
All right. So please have your dinner and take care. And I want you to download the audiobook and I will ask you what all
Sure.
things you have learned from the book. Because the more you listen, the more you'll understand and the less mistakes you will make. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much for being a part of this session.